Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting topic for all you skincare enthusiasts out there: retinol. If you're new to the world of skincare or just starting your journey, you've come to the right place. If you've ever wondered how to turn back the clock on your skin, erase those pesky fine lines, or bid farewell to acne nightmares, then you've stumbled upon the ultimate gem of skincare. In this video, we'll be talking all about retinol, including what it is, its benefits, and most importantly, how to use it correctly. So let's dive right in. What is retinol? First things first, what exactly is retinol? Retinol is a form of vitamin A, which is an essential nutrient for your skin. It's a powerhouse ingredient that can help improve a wide range of skin concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to acne and uneven skin tone. Benefits. Here are some of the incredible benefits of using retinol. Stimulates collagen production for smoother, firmer skin. Promotes cell turnover, helping to fade dark spots and acne scars. Diminishes the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Controls oil production, making it great for acne-prone skin. Improves skin texture and tone. How to use retinol. Now that you know why retinol is such a game changer, let's discuss how to use it safely and effectively. Start slowly. The golden rule with retinol is to start slow. If you've never used it before, begin with a lower concentration, such as 0.25% or 0.5%, to allow your skin to adjust. You can gradually increase the strength as your skin becomes more tolerant. Evening routine. Retinol should be used in your evening skincare routine because it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Here's a simple routine to follow. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Use a modest quantity of retinol on your skin, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. To maintain your skin's hydration, be sure to follow up with a moisturizer. Always finish with sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin. Use sparingly. Less is often better when using retinol. A pea-sized portion is typically ample for your entire facial application. Using too much can lead to irritation and redness. Avoid mixing. Be cautious about mixing retinol with other active ingredients like vitamin C or alpha hydroxy acids. It's best to use them on separate nights. Patience. Patience is key when using retinol. Results may take a few weeks to become noticeable, so stick with your routine. Is retinol suitable for everyone, or are there people who should avoid it? Retinol is suitable for those concerned with signs of aging, people dealing with acne or acne scars, individuals with uneven skin tone. Who should avoid? On the other hand, retinol may not be suitable for pregnant or breastfeeding women, those with extremely sensitive or rosacea-prone skin, people using certain medications, so consult your dermatologist. And there you have it, the basics of retinol for beginners. It's a fantastic skincare ingredient that can truly transform your complexion when used correctly. Remember, start slow, be patient, and always wear sunscreen during the day. If you have any questions or personal experiences you'd like to share, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable skincare tips and advice. Stay tuned.